Hello and welcome to part 6 on how to create animated light ribbons using Blender. In this part we're going to pin and hook the ribbon so that it moves the way we want it to. Start by selecting the ribbon and pressing Tab to enter edit mode. Select the vertice on one end and then shift select the vertice on the other end. Click the data button on the sidebar. Click the plus under vertex groups and click Assign to add the two selected vertices to the group. Let's rename the vertex group to Pinning. With that done, we can go to our cloth settings by clicking the physics button and enable pinning on the ribbon. Select the pinning group we just created and set the stiffness to 50. Alright, the ends of the ribbon should now be pinned. Let's press Tab to exit edit mode and run the animation to see how it behaves. Again, I'll need to bump the speed multiplier up. I probably should have left this set to 1 until we were ready to change it. Oops. Okay, good. The ends of the ribbon are pinned down. Next, we're going to add 3 hooks to the ribbon, which will allow us to control and better constrain its movement. Press Tab to enter edit mode and select the 2 vertices in the center of the ribbon. Click the data button and assign these 2 vertices to our vertex group. Then press Ctrl H and select Hook to New Object. This creates an empty object that will be able to move around, and the ribbon will move with it since it is hooked to it at the selected vertices. Press Tab to exit edit mode, and let's rename the empty to Center Hook. With the hook selected, we'll shift select the ribbon, press Ctrl P, and select Object. This will make the ribbon the parent of the center hook. Alright, that's one hook. Let's do the left one next. Select these 2 vertices, assign them to the vertex group, press Ctrl H, and hook to new object. Exit edit mode. Rename the empty to left hook, shift select the ribbon, press Ctrl P, and select Object to make the hook a child of the ribbon. We'll do this once more for the right hook. Select these 2 vertices, assign them to the vertex group, press Ctrl H, and hook to new object. Exit edit mode. Rename the empty to right hook. Shift select the ribbon. Press Ctrl P and select Object to make the hook a child of the ribbon. Alright, we have our 3 hooks in place. And if you expand the ribbon, you should see all 3 of them listed as child objects. One last thing we'll need to do is to reorder our modifiers, otherwise the cloth will not move correctly when we start moving the hooks around. So click on the modifiers button, collapse the modifiers to make them easier to see, and move the cloth modifier down below the 3 hook modifiers. If we run the simulation, the ribbon should be pinned at the 3 hooks. Again, we'll need to bump the speed multiplier up. Looks good. And that's it for part 6 of this tutorial. If you find these videos to be helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. In part 7, we're going to add some random motion to our hooks to get the ribbon moving. See you then.